How's it going? This is Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're kind of changing it up a little bit. Instead of showing y'all replays of everything that went on the night before and the night before that, I'm actually going to try to take you guys out with me, and we're going to see how that goes. And hopefully there's some people out tonight. Kind of crossing my fingers. Nobody really told me anything about what's going on, but I think it'll be a good night. I'm filling up on E85 right now. I got my tires on. There's a couple people I believe are going out that are going to be a good competition. A couple people did ask me, I forgot to mention about my car. People were asking me, what's your daily driver? Well, this is it. I'm putting the 2019 Mustang GT to a completely full test on life, basically. Because people that know me personally know that I drive my car, how it should be driven. And so also I'm trying to do everything without putting like a supercharger or a turbo or nitrous on it. So I'm trying to put as much into the 5.0 as I can without trying to put boost on it. But that's enough talking right now. I'm getting my gas, and then after that we're taking off. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Later.
What clothes are you running? Like what brand? Are those OEM?
GMs.
But are they OEM or?
I think they are. They came with the motor that I bought for the other one. So.
I'm running OEM. 585. And they're not with it.
Yeah, I'm literally.
A month and 3 days later.
Wait, what?
So it's supposed to be able to do 140. I don't think it
A 2008 Z06. It says on the other side it's 505 horsepower. I'm gonna do a couple runs. I'll get the video of it to y'all. back home. It is 1:32 in the morning. I'm wiped out. A recap on tonight. So me and my buddies took off from Lake Charles, headed over to Texas to go have some fun. Ended up getting to race a 2008 Z06. You know, you win some, you lose some. It was a good race. You seen in the video, it was, I'm personally saying like it's a car and a half, and he kept pulling, and I shut off at 120. So they have undercover cops that drive black Silverados now. I never knew that. But yeah, so cops got involved. We dipped out, went ahead, went back to the spot we were hanging out at, and called it a night. Honestly, we didn't want to, you know, cause any more ruckus, I guess you can say. Not much for causing a big scene, but I say it was a good night overall. I know where I stand with, you know, other cars. I was very pleased with having just 2 things done to my car and being able to actually keep up like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.